Pre-construction, contemporary cracker home on 5.12 fenced acres. 3-bedroom, 3 baths plus office and detached 3-car garage. Open great room floor plan with 2,553 square feet. Under air, split bedrooms and stylish finishes. Spacious great room with fireplace, wraparound porch to enjoy the views, impact glass, Hardiboard siding and metal roof are just some of the features of this quality home. Estimated completion date of October 2020. Indian Hammock is a gated community of 3,600 acres with about 2,400 acres of preserve. Amenities include a private airport, skeet and trap ranges, 5-stand shooting, NRA certified rifle and pistol range, clubhouse with restaurant, fitness center, heated pool, guest cabins, tennis courts, horse stables, riding arena, and miles of trails to ride. Indian Hammock makes the perfect